Welcome to LTV Living. Today all I'm going to show you is how to make a brown glaze. So a brown sugar glaze.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food plant-based lifestyle.
Which is part of the final portion of the persimmon pudding that I'm making. Alright, so it's very simple. In part one, you saw how I made brown sugar. So you need brown sugar. In this case, you need the cup of sugar that you made it. Basically, a cup of sugar to 2 tablespoons of molasses brown sugar. Next, you need 2.5 tablespoons of soy milk. This is organic original soy milk from Full Circle. And then you add your persimmon glaze to it. So this is mostly liquid persimmon. Nice mess. You're going to pulse this until it's as much together as possible. You're going to use your spatula to make sure that the corners are all done. Now this is way more than you need, because this is just you're going to be putting it like 1/16 of an inch topping on top of your already cooked persimmon pudding. But this is the glaze. It's all ready to go, and this is the end of this video. Now come and see part 3 where I actually show you how to cook the persimmon pudding. See you in a little bit.
If you like what you see, subscribe. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.